What if you could create an ad that looks amazing, but still doesn't make a single sale? Because knowing how to edit a video is one thing. Knowing why someone stops scrolling, keeps watching, and eventually decides to buy is something completely different. And that difference can be worth far more than simply knowing how to edit. That's where ECom Talent comes in. It's not just another video editing course, it's a skill-to-income system built around one valuable skill: learning how to create ads that actually sell. Inside the program, you get more than 20 hours of training covering ad creation, creative strategy, customer psychology, hooks, retention, and what makes people take action. You'll also learn how to use AI to create images, videos, and copy faster. But here's where it goes beyond a typical course. You don't just learn. You practice. You get practical assignments, templates, frameworks, and feedback. You create real creatives. You improve them. You build a portfolio. And then you get the opportunity to put those skills to work. One of the ways members can do that is through ad bounties. E-commerce brands provide briefs for the ads they need. You choose a brand, create the ad, submit it. The brand can then test your creative in the real world. And if your ad generates sales, there are opportunities to earn from those results. So instead of spending months learning a skill and wondering how to turn it into income, you have a path from learning to practicing to getting your work in front of real e-commerce brands. And if you prove yourself, there are also opportunities to build relationships with brands and potentially work with them on an ongoing basis. But the learning doesn't happen in isolation. You also get access to a private community where you can share your work, get feedback, join group calls, and connect with other people working in e-commerce. And there's strong social proof behind the community. It currently shows a 5.0 star rating from 292 WOP reviews. So, which plan is right for you? If you're just starting out in e-commerce advertising, the $97 per month membership is built for you. For $97 a month, you're not just getting a library of videos. You're getting the training, tools, templates, feedback, community, and opportunities designed to help you develop the skill, build your portfolio, and start putting your work in front of real e-commerce brands. You're not paying to simply watch a course. You're building a skill you can actually put to work. But what if you're already running an e-commerce business and need something more advanced? That's where the $997 per month for brands plan comes in. It's designed for e-commerce brands looking to build and optimize their creative operation. You get everything from the core program, plus monthly one-on-one strategy sessions, direct access to Carlo, team training, ad review and optimization, and priority access to creative talent. Because for a brand, better creative isn't just about making better looking ads. It's about finding stronger angles, improving your creative process, testing more effectively, and building a system around ads that have a chance to perform. So the difference is simple. $97 is for creators building the skill and their portfolio. $997 is for brands looking to build and optimize their creative operation. And that's what makes this more than just a video editing course. You're learning the psychology, the strategy, the creative process, and how those skills can be applied to real e-commerce advertising. Because an ad that looks good gets attention, but an ad that understands the customer, that's the ad that has a chance to sell. So whether you're starting from zero and want to develop a valuable e-commerce skill, or you're already running a brand and need a more advanced creative solution, there's an option built around where you are right now. $97 per month for creators, $997 per month for brands. If you want to learn what actually makes e-commerce advertising work or build a stronger creative operation around it, check out ECom Talent through the link below.